Hello everyone, my name is Jean. Welcome back to this series for crypto space newcomers. In the last part I spoke about IDO and ICO, very interesting topic. I will leave the link to my last video in the description in case you are interested. Yes guys, our world is relentlessly evolving and technology is progressing, and of course the internet. In this part of the series I thought I will tell you about Web3. You will learn the difference to Web 2.0 and Web 1.0 and how it's connected with cryptocurrency. As always guys, I'm not a financial advisor and everything you see and hear on my channel is my personal analysis, thoughts and ideas based on my daily research. You're responsible for your investments, so don't forget to analyze this stuff before investing money after you've watched my video. Stay with me till the end and let's get started. The web has evolved a lot over the years, and today's applications are nothing like their ancestors. There are three stages of the internet: Web 1, Web 2 and Web 3. Web 1 was the first iteration of the web. Web 1.0 consisted of sites serving static content instead of dynamic HTML. The sites didn't have much interactivity and all information was served in text or graphic format. Web 1.0 can be called a read-only web. The web you guys are all used to is Web 2.0. It can already be considered as an interactive and social internet. In the Web 2 world, you don't have to be a developer to participate in the creation process. Many applications are designed in such a way that anyone can become a creator. Web 2 is based on the idea of web as a platform and focuses on user-generated content uploaded to social networks and blogs, among other services. In addition to the well-known advantages, Web 2 has many disadvantages. One of the main ones is the constant leakage of data and applications. In Web 2 you have no control over your data or how it's stored. Moreover, companies often track and store users' data without people even know about it. Yeah, and a stick on your webcam won't save you. Web 2.0 is essentially a centralized internet with centralized servers. Because of this, not only can your data become available to anyone, also your bank accounts can be shut down at will by the government in times of instability, extreme inflation or other foreseen reasons. Web 3 is designed to solve many of these shortcomings. There are a few fundamental differences between Web 2 and Web 3, but at their core they are decentralized. In Web 3, developers build applications out of many peer-to-peer nodes, either on blockchain or on decentralized networks. Such applications are often referred to as DApps, short for decentralized applications. To achieve a stable and secure decentralized network members or developers are incentivized and compete to provide the highest quality of service to all who use the service. Their incentive is cryptocurrency or tokens. Tokens also create their own payment layer, which is borderless and frictionless. Crypto wallets like MetaMask and Taurus make it easy, anonymous and relatively secure to integrate international payments and transactions into Web3 applications. That's all about Web3 for today guys. Thanks for watching this part in the series. Leave your comments down below in the comment section. In the next part in the series I will prepare another topic you need to know to start your investor journey soon. Please like my video if you were entertained or got value from it, ding the bell so you don't miss future videos, and don't forget to click on the end card to watch the next part in the series. See you very soon.